Skarven. Today I'm hiking Skarven in Tustna, now Aure municipality, northwest parts of Norway, and with me I have Andreas, my cousin. And Skarven is how high?
896 meters above sea level.
896 meters. I will claim that at that height we're actually climbing a mountain.
Yeah.
He agrees. Andreas is looking good, and the views are already better, and we can see the peak, not right now, but it's up there. Just came up.
Oh, it's getting warmer. Andreas' car.
And I'm already knackered. Still beating Andreas though, you know. Just so slow. Hard to believe that we're the same age.
Some would even call it unbelievable.
Yeah, some would even call it unfeasible, I would say. Yeah, we're not though. So that's 469, that's 906. Not that dyrkolgrova yet. It's a very complicated word in English.
We have sound again.
Flat area right now. Getting wet though. This is boggy, marshy stuff. Exactly. But I think that bit here will be quite steep. On the steeper parts,
Closing in on the final climb, 23 degrees or something.
but we thought this was the peak, and now as we ascended we just saw that, which clearly is the actual peak. Thanks. Lovely! Hey! And the views are, you know, yes. we've been up here for about 2 hours now because we see no reason to go basically anywhere else. This is the best place on earth right now. It's absolutely beautiful. We've had coffee, whiskey, trail mix. It's now 10 o'clock in the evening. This is Norway for you, and it's still bright as day out. But we have some barbecuing to do still. I think there's a beer in our future, a lager. And I think also we'll be both able to sleep quite well tonight. But as I've said before, why would one leave that?